Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn,
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
and this is day 2 of the high protein plant-based pestos. And they're in Be a Plant-Based Woman Warrior.
High protein because of hemp seeds.
Hemp.
Hearts.
Yeah, but you're right. They're shelled hemp seeds. You're right. They call them hemp hearts, just for the
The
marketing.
idea of hearts turns me off. I like hemp seeds.
Yes. Okay, so today we're going to be making,
Avocado pesto.
and a couple days ago we posted about a walnut pesto. This is on the same page, page 88 of our book, if you're following along. And this starts with, obviously, with avocados. So we carefully chose avocados that were just, they're soft to the touch, a little bit like touching almost like a firm muscle. It's not, it doesn't give, it gives,
You mean a muscle?
well, this is a better muscle to choose. Okay, so we're going to add, I'm doubling the recipe again because our food processor is a larger one, so we have to have enough mass to make it turn.
Do you want me to open my...
Could you open that one? I forgot this one's open. And we use our Tovolo just to get every little bit of the avocado into the processor. Now with the seed, I wanted to show you, there's a new little trick we have. Like we used to just like take a knife and go like, I'm sorry, and thwack it down. But that you can miss and hit. So you just push the back from behind and it pops out. You just kind of encourage it out, which I think is such a more gentle.
So nice. I'm sure that there have been so many
And there you are.
accidents.
Yeah. Are you digging it out, or did you try popping it out?
No, I popped it out, but I just...
You popped a little extra. Put a little extra in your pop. Alrighty. So we're putting in 2 whole avocados, and these are sort of larger sized avocados. So I hope that this is going to be the foundation of the pesto. So if you have heart disease, we would not recommend this much avocado. Maybe go with a chickpeas as the foundation, or cannellini beans. Okay, and then after we have our base of avocado, we get right to the amazing magic, which is basil. And we do have the option, like we mentioned in our last video. If you don't like basil for some reason, you can try other
parsley,
cilantro. Lovage. Lovage is a powerful green. Lovage is such an interesting, I love the name of it, but lovage, it's like if parsley and celery.
It doesn't sound edible for some reason.
Lovage, I have it right there.
No, I mean,
okay, I'm going to go get a piece of lovage. Hold on. Try this.
Well, it may not sound edible, but it is very edible.
This is lovage. It's awesome. Taste it. It tastes like here, wait, taste this. It's like if parsley or Lisa, you tell me what you think it tastes like. It's like if parsley and celery had a baby.
Oh, there was a little celery-ness to it.
Wait,
I think it needs to be in something.
Isn't that kind of
A
cool?
little lovage in there.
Perfectly described. A lot of celery notes.
Celery notes and parsley.
Very much. Perfect.
So this could be used in a pesto, but in a pesto instead of basil. All right, lovage. Should we continue?
Lovage, yes.
I know. It's just a lovely name. All right, so we have now to put in our garlic, and I have a big garlic ready to go. But actually, it came with when you open up the clove and it has a little like baby attached to the mama. I'm gonna put them together because they were together. Okay, and then next thing we're gonna add is lemon, and we have half a lemon sitting here, but I think we might need another one. So let's get that because we need to put in. This says 1 to 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna correct our cookbook and say 1 to 2 tablespoons because I think that's about 1, and that's maybe about 2. Once again, I'm gonna give it a little chance to give us a little more because I think it's enough. We don't need that right now. That one looks like it's not the best lemon, is it?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay, maybe we'll use that for our next one because we're doing 3 in a row. We did a walnut pesto just up 2 days ago, if you haven't seen it. And this is the avocado based. And then next we're going to do a cashew based. All right, what's after this is the option of salt. We don't use salt. We don't have salt. But please, if you need it to have things go down your gullet, add a little bit, ideally at the table. So now we're going to add our hemp hearts because this is high
protein.
plant-based pestos this week. So we added 2 last time.
Yeah, two, at least 2.
All right, we have 2. I didn't want to like do too much if it wasn't what everyone loved, but we are loving it. All right, and we low water. So I think we're going to add. Oh no, don't get that. We don't need to get that one wet. This one's probably enough. We are in this one. This one. You know what? The avocado, just as it is, look at that. Before I've added anything, look at that texture. Okay, Anne looks with her mouth. What do you think? Lemon?
No, it's got a lot of lemon. It's good. It's smooth.
Avocado is so smooth.
You know what I think it needs?
What?
Just a few lovage leaves.
Oh, let's put some. We're gonna put some lovage. Oh, lovage. Let's put some lovage. Yes. Really? What? What does it need? What is it? What do you think it needs?
No, it's good.
We're adding no
good.
water.
It's so nice. I mean, the avocado gives it that wonderful smoothness.
Yeah. Well, our avocado was ripe enough and sort of smooth enough that we haven't added any water. And I do say add a splash if you want. I'm gonna do one last spin because the lovage was on the side. That's a seed. Whenever that happens, I know that's been a seed. Someone is disrupting. Okay, we'll stop. We'll stop. You have a seed on your blade. If your food processor ever does that and kicks up all kinds of dust like that, that's a seed. All right. So let's try this now, you guys. Can you get the toast out again, Ann? And we'll chop it up for our. We have our studio audience today. Actually, I'm gonna put my pesto here, and you've got. Oh, we got enough. Okay, wait. Look at this. This green from the avocado combined with the
It is so green. Ooh.
Okay, so Lisa, Wade. Let's give this one a try. A little dip. Okay. All right, Wade, ready? There you go. Lisa, get in here. Give that a try. Yum. I think.
What a gorgeous color.
Isn't that great? Okay, we have, because we're doing, the walnut is a little bit paler. This is brighter green, I think, because of the avocado, but isn't that interesting? And I will devour this. I love the toasted walnut tones in that, but this is winning. She's just a beauty. Beauty queen gets some awards on this one for sure. What do you guys think? How would you say this compares? Does this compare to the other one?
It's very smooth.
If you had to
Very creamy.
Creamy.
Creamy mouthfeel on the second one.
Creamy
especially,
mouthfeel?
But both are delicious.
How about the high protein, hemp hearts? Are you picking up any of those at all?
No.
No. No.
That could go on any.
It's a secret high protein. And we're kind of kidding when we say that because we don't really care about protein. Oh, yum. Okay, well, okay, that gets a wow from Lisa. That gets a wow from Wade. Wade wants to eat the whole thing, it sounds like. All right. Okay.
All right.
Great. Again, this is midweek of our high protein plant-based pestos, and we have our walnut a couple days ago. This is an avocado-based one, and next, stay tuned because we're going to do a cashew one coming up in a hot second. All right, let us know how you like your avocado-based pesto. Did you add some lovage to it?
Lovage. A little lovage.
A little lovage goes a long way.